As the world's #1 selling petrol chainsaw brand, a new STIHL chainsaw series is always exciting news. The latest MS162, MS172, MS182 and MS212 are ideal for homeowners, but also gardeners and landscapers who require chainsaws for occasional jobs too.
These new saws are intended for everything from trimming branches around the garden, processing firewood, and with the larger models, felling and processing smaller trees. It's a simple lineup where as you move up through the range, they rise in engine capacity and power output. The MS162 with 30cc, MS172 with 32cc, MS182 with 36cc and MS212 with 39cc, so you can choose the saw that best suits your needs. There are various bar length options available from 12-inch on the MS162 through to 16-inch on the MS182 and MS212.
The MS162 and MS172 have a traditional side-mounted chain tensioning system, whilst the CBE versions of the MS182 and 212 have quick chain tensioning for easy, tool-free tensioning and changing of a saw chain, as well as an ergo start system that means pulling the starter cord is less strenuous. On all MS182 and MS212 models, you have tool-free fuel and oil caps, as well as metal bumper spikes.
They all have an anti-vibration system to make working with the saw comfortable and to make it easier for you to control and make accurate cuts. The design of the saws is modern and functional, so they're great to work with. They're also lightweight and well balanced.
All the chainsaws use 3/8-inch Pico chains, which are manufactured in Switzerland and give good cutting performance, good service life and are easy to sharpen, especially if you use one of our 2-in-1 easy files.
To get the best out of your chainsaw, we recommend a few useful accessories. First of all, we always recommend using STIHL Motor Mix in your petrol tools. This is our premium pre-mixed ethanol-free fuel that gives you the best performance and a long shelf life of 5 years.
We also offer replacement bars and chains separately, as well as in a handy cut kit, with 2 saw chains and 1 guide bar. To keep your machine in top condition, we have the MS Care and Clean Kit, which contains VarioClean Eco, a cleaning spray and a brush, with a bar groove cleaner.
To help keep on top of maintenance, all the chainsaws in the range can also be used with the STIHL Smart Connector, which will record working times and help you carry out regular maintenance tasks at the right time. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.